Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. Every year, I make a Christmas ornament from polymer clay, and I want to continue that tradition with today's tutorial. But before we start, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. As I use a glass mat, I clean it with some alcohol and wipe it down. Next, I bring out my extruder and place in it some glittery red clay. I use this plate with 5 small holes. I also bring out the extruder that looks like a 3-leaf clover and use that for my white clay. I actually saw this technique for making candy canes on Instagram, where you'd put the red snakes in between the grooves of the white clay. Then the cane is slowly twisted to get those candy cane lines. You can roll them out with your palm to make the snakes thinner. I found this tip very useful in making even candy canes. Now, let's make the base of the ornament. I flatten out some glittery white clay into the number 5 setting on my extruder. I then get my circular cutter and trace out the circle. I roll out some sculpey buttercream to place at the bottom of my ornament. I use a sandpaper to give it some texture. Moving on, I get some brown clay to make the base of my Christmas tree. I also get out these gradient shades of green to use as the leaves of the Christmas tree. I get the scallop cutter and roll out the green clay into the number 7 setting. I stack the green to make a tree. also roll out some white clay into the number 7 setting and place this on top of the tree to mimic snow. I placed some snow on the leaves on the tree as well. Next, let's make the snowman. I flatten the white pearl clay into the number 7 setting. I then get a small and big cutter. I stack the 2 circles to make a snowman. I put a bunch of accessories to my snowman, including a beanie hat and a scarf. For the final touch, I placed some candy canes beside my snowman. placed a hole on top of the ornament so that I can hang it. And that is it for today's tutorial and this year's Christmas ornament. I hope that you enjoyed watching me make this. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!